2025 Mercedes-Benz GLE. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's equipped with a full package of convenience and efficiency, such as automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, panoramic roof, moonroof, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support. We'll help you find exactly what you're looking for.